Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use TikTok in India. So guys, in this video, you have to download the Urban VPN proxy unblocker. So just simply download this into your Google Play Store, and from here just simply open it up. And now from here guys, just simply go ahead and go for choose free at the top right. And from here, tap on accept, tap on agree and continue. And from here, just simply tap on enable and tap on installed services and go for Urban VPN and turn this on and tap on allow and tap on turn on. And now from here, once it is turned on, guys, just simply go back to the app and tap on agree. And from here, just simply wait for it to load up. And as you can see from here, guys, just simply tap on locations down below. And from here, just simply select a country that is not India. So I'm going to go for Australia and tap on OK. And just simply wait for it to load up. And now from here, guys, as of now, I am connected to Australia. And from here, just simply go to your TikTok. And after that, guys, you should be able to use TikTok in India. And guys, remember that you can also use other VPN software or application in order for this to work. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!